This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. The most desirable features on board this Chevrolet include adjustable driver pedals, a heated driver's seat, a premium audio system, satellite radio, a rear parking aid, side impact airbags, and this vehicle has just over 26,000 miles. The durable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, is the power behind this truck's long list of capabilities. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.